Everyone, I wanted to show you three of my favorite pieces that we have for fall. The first one that I'm wearing right now is the Clara satin button-down top, which I'm absolutely loving this trend of wearing like the satin PJ look, but dressed up or out of the house. So I'm totally on board with it, and this definitely achieves that look. It's got the satin material, it's got the notched collar and breast pocket. It has buttoned cuffed sleeves, and it's buttoned down as well. And the buttons are small little seashell type buttons, very thin. And obviously it has a sheen to it, and it also has like this kind of crinkle material, which I kind of like. It's got that like permanently like a bit wrinkled look. But yeah, and it's in this beautiful champagne color. And I love it paired with our new London joggers in olive as like a fall look. I think it goes great with like nude heels, which I have on right now, or booties, but I'm really loving them together. So let me go ahead and show you our London joggers. Okay, so here are the London joggers. It's always a little challenging to show you pants myself, I feel like, but I wanted to get up close to the details for you. It does have the side pockets, one on each side. It does have the elastic cuff by the ankle down there, and elastic waistband with the drawstring. And they are an olive color with pockets. And they're definitely more of an oversized jogger, I would say. I'm wearing a size small, but still you can totally rock with like a heel and dress them up, even though they are a bit like oversized and baggier. I absolutely love them. It makes them like that much more comfortable. And I really do like them with the Clara satin button down, because it gives like, you know, that relaxed look. But I also do love it with the sweater that I have on right now, which I'm about to show you, our neon mesh yoke sweater. Another sweater that I love with the London joggers is what I just threw on right now, which is our neon mesh yoke sweater. So the reason it's called that is, I don't know, it's probably hard to see, but the yoke of the sweater is actually a nude mesh, and that's how it keeps the sweater looking off shoulder. Because you know how you hate like when you have an off shoulder sweater and you're kind of like fidgeting and pulling it all around. This keeps it in place. Let me go ahead close up. So as you can see, this is nude, and it's a mesh material, and it just goes around the collar, around to the back. It's very sheer. You can notice it obviously if you're very up close to somebody. Further away, you really don't even see it at all. But like I said, it keeps the sweater off shoulder and in place. And plus it's just a really cool detail. I mean, I like the fact that you can see it close up. It just adds something really, really unique to the sweater. I personally haven't seen a sweater like this. I'm really excited about it, and I'm loving this like neon green color. It's like, you know, it's very bright, but it's not overpowering. It's not like an obnoxious neon green for some reason. I'm really in love with it for fall. And I'm actually really enjoying the way that it looks with the London joggers, like the bright green with the olive green mixed together. As you can see, it's a little hard the position I'm in right now, but so the sweater does kind of puff here. It has like this trim that makes it kind of bubble over there. And then it has, you know, the same thing around the cuffs. But overall, I mean, it's just so unique. And it does have a tiny button closure at the neck and the back right there. But really, really unique piece. And like I said, I think they go great. It goes great with the joggers. But yeah, so these are three of our newer pieces for fall that I'm just absolutely loving. So head to the site and check them out.